Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Salesforce permission sets for new objects, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update Salesforce permission sets for new objects, begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the quick find box, type permission sets and select it from the drop-down. Locate and click on the permission set you wish to update. Review the details of the permission set to ensure you are modifying the correct one. Next, scroll down to the Object Settings section within the Permission Set menu. Click on the Object Settings link to view the list of objects associated with the permission set. To add a new object, search for the object's name in the list. If the object is not present, return to the Permission Set overview and click on Edit. Scroll down to the Custom Object Permissions subsection. Click on the Edit button next to the custom object you want to update. Adjust the permissions as needed by checking the boxes for Read, Create, Edit, Delete, or View All. Once you've made the necessary changes, click Save to apply the updates. After saving, verify that the new permissions are accurately reflected in the permission set. Consider testing the permission set by assigning it to a user and logging in as that user. Ensure that the new permissions function as intended for the new object. This completes the process of updating Salesforce permission sets for new objects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.